Hi everyone, I am Shweta and in this session we will learn the phonic rhyme of letter K and letter L. So the sound of letter K is K. The sound of letter K is K. So let's start singing the rhyme of letter K. Okay. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Now we will move on to letter L. The sound of letter L is L. The sound of letter L is L. So let's start singing the rhyme of letter L. This is the action of the child is holding a lollipop in his hands. Okay. We'll lick a lollipop. We'll lick a lollipop. La 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 la. We'll lick a lollipops. So hope you all enjoyed the rhyme of letter K and letter L. In case if you have missed the previous phonic rhymes, then the link is given below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.